Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2017 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT. This one is part of our pre-owned inventory with 54,000 miles on it. And it also has a Borla exhaust. I'm not sure if it's Borla all the way through. I know it still has the big muffler in the middle, but it might be the secondary muffler delete. Because you can see through there, there's your big beefy muffler, and it comes up and down through. But I think typically there's another muffler like right there that might be deleted. Doesn't sound bad at all. Good back seat area. I believe this is the crew cab. Oh, good thing they put that there. No sticker, come on. Nope, alright. This one has the 5.3. Backup camera, of course. Let's go ahead and take a drive, put it in tow haul mode. I mean, I absolutely love these trucks. Very similar to the 2020 generation. They didn't change a whole lot. Wow. Yeah, something tells me this one's making more power than advertised. I didn't look under the hood, so I don't know if there's an intake or anything like that done. But it definitely feels quicker than I remember a 5.3 being. I don't know, maybe when we park up, I'll open up the hood and see if there's an intake or anything done. I wouldn't be surprised if there was an intake done, because I know this one was pretty modified when we took it in. But of course, we can't sell anything that wouldn't pass inspection or anything like that. So the exhaust was even louder, so I think they added in the factory muffler. When I say they, I mean the shop guys who inspect every used car that we take in. See, personally, I say make the truck as loud as possible, but that's not what people want. So this is a perfect mixture as it sits. It's growly, has a really good sound to it, but it's not absolutely unbearable on a day-to-day basis, which some exhausts can be, especially ones on Honda Civics that blow by your house at 4 a.m. Yay! Oy. Put it into low mode so we can kind of hear the exhaust a bit more. You won't get any pops and bangs, but you will get some good burbles. Now, I'm not sure if this truck is equipped with it or if it was an option, but I know for 2020 Sierras, you can get an optional performance package, which comes with a cold air intake and a catback exhaust. That's why I wouldn't be surprised if this one has that. I was hoping to find the original sticker so I could go through everything in detail, but this one doesn't have it. Or it's hidden in there. And I don't like to go through all that stuff because oftentimes there'll be paperwork from the previous owner. Don't like to do that on camera just in case there's any personal information or anything like that in there. Go ahead and shut it off. Where do they put the hood releases on these? Ah. No, it doesn't look like there's an intake done. I'm actually surprised about that. Overall, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.